Hello everyone. Today I'm going to install to my Corsa reversing sensors. I bought from eBay from like it's few pounds, So I'm going to show them to you. Yeah. Yeah. So today I'm going to make the video and I'm going to show you how I did. So see you later. Yeah, all is ready. So I'm going to run the cables to the here to the lights. I take it off the lights and I'm going to run the cables through the here. They're looking like this. Hello everyone, finally all done. Just let me try if it's all working. It takes longer than I was thinking, but I done it. So let's see. Let me. Oh nice. I'm happy. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my video, you know what to do. Okay, see you next time. Bye.